Hi there, this is Maths with Angela, doing checking your answers, which is very important, not only to see if you've got your right answer when you've done working out, but also to show that you can check your answers on exam papers if it's asked to do so. So estimating this one here, so they've given us, they want us to use estimation to check your answer to 195 plus 34 is 435. So you may see instantly that can't possibly be that, but we're going to round these so that we can prove to ourselves it couldn't possibly be that. So this one number here, 195, rounds to 200. Yeah. And if we add on this number here, which rounds to 30, okay, this is 230. And this is way too big, okay? So we've proved here by our estimation that this can't possibly be the answer. Right, now they want us to do another estimate to check this, okay? So this number here rounds to 400, okay? This number here rounds to 200 because it's nearest to that. So our overall answer is 200. And yes, this is pretty close, yeah, okay. So it is a good estimate to use. If you want to be a little bit more precise, you can use inverse operations to prove your answers. So this is where you need to remember the opposite of adding is taking away, okay, and the opposite of multiplying is dividing, and the other way around. Opposite dividing is timesing, opposite of taking away is adding. So here, to do the inverse here, you will start up with the answer, okay, and you do the inverse with the last number in the sum. So the sum is 234 minus 89, so the opposite of that is to add 89. And if this is correct, we should get to 234. So without a calculator, let's have a go. So 145, add on 89. So we've got the 5 add the 9, which is 14, carry the 1. Then we've got 8 plus 4, 12, plus 1 is 13. It's looking good, carry the 1. And 2 is our overall answer. So yes, the answer to this is 2, 3, 4, and therefore our inverse operations have shown that this sum is correct. I hope that's helpful. You can now have a go at the worksheet.